What the f is the problem?
Is he? Oh, Ruby's gonna hit. He's gonna hit. Just go straight down.
Yeah. Get a picture of him when you go past as well.
Thanks, mate.
I seemed to like it, but I remember when it first came out, and I was still living at home. I had more money.
Thanks for
I
that.
had money that I didn't know. I was between apartments, and I was like, I don't know if I'm gonna like this.
That was very intelligent, wasn't it? Very clever, that was.
Put your phone down.
Don't miss it. At the roundabout, take the third exit. Don't miss it.
Test away from someone already. Our plan, this moonshot that I'm describing, will require a giant collaborative.
What are you doing? It's a 70s zone. You pulled right in front of my path and now you sat there like a twat.
Culture and his music was something that a lot of people knew from the local area, so he was kind of the right choice to keep it close to home, but also someone who's commercially viable that people will want to see. So I guess it was a well-rounded choice.
I suppose it's something that we're proud of, but there's certainly worse choices.
No, 07. It just looked like it looked good.
Says there, no right turn. Bell end.
there's a load of leaves fallen on top of it. I know.
This guy's begging.
He's asking to change, yeah.
It looks really nice.
Idiots. Absolute nobbin. Huh? Yeah, I've got on dashcam anyway. Oh.
I can't even see what's coming yet.
Now it's green and now she crosses.
Is that a Chrysler?
That was.
Is it a Chrysler?
It is. It's a Lancia, but Bash is a Chrysler. It's a Delta. It's a new Delta. I was so close to buying one, and do I regret that? It's in, look at the front. It's interesting.
He looks really classy from the back and really shitty from the front.
Yeah, they didn't sell very well.
Yeah. No, it's moving. That's Hutchins!
Okay, yeah. Drive a bit faster in. Oh, another one.